All right, moving on, the Delhi High Court is set to deliver its verdict on the plea filed by wrestlers Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia and others against the Wrestling Federation of India. The writ petition filed by the protesting wrestlers earlier this year seeks to declare the WFI elections conducted back in December 2023 as illegal.
Suspended federation's president under the sports code could not have taken any decisions, but he continued to take decisions regarding trials, regarding selections, regarding, he started procuring letters in order to prejudice the minds of the court while the matter was going on. Letters were procured from the United World Wrestling. So we had sought a complete cut of the cord between the Indian Federation, Wrestling Federation of India, headed by Sanjay Singh, with the world body and also the International Olympic Committee, because Olympic Games were coming up.
Meanwhile, hinting at the ongoing tussle between the wrestlers and the federation, WFI chief Sanjay Singh has said that India could have won 6 more medals in wrestling, but could not owing to the tussle in the sport over the last 15 to 16 months. After the president of the Indian Olympic Association, PT Usha, Sanjay Singh has thrown Vinesh Phogat under the bus as well. When asked about his view of Vinesh being disqualified at the Paris Olympics, Singh said that the weight category for the sport is the athlete's choice and maintaining that weight rests on the athlete.
हमारे मेडल और भी ज़्यादा आ सकते थे। जो 6 मेडल भारत देश को आए हों, 6 मेडल अकेले कुश्ती ला सकता था, लेकिन कुश्ती पिछले 18, 15, 16 महीने जो डिस्टर्ब रही, उसकी वजह से इतना मेडल नहीं आ पाया। तो कुछ कारण से उन्होंने डेट बढ़ा दिया। कारण क्या दिया, नहीं किस कारण से बढ़ाया है ये नहीं बताया, लेकिन अगर उनके साथ जानबूझकर ये किया जाता तो उन्होंने जो फिजियो मांगा उनको दिया गया, जो स्पार्किंग पार्टनर मांगा वो दिया गया, जो डॉक्टर मांगा वो डॉक्टर उनको दिया गया, जो फैसिलिटी उन्होंने मांगी, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं हंगरी में ट्रेनिंग करूंगी, वहाँ हंगरी उनको भेजा गया, उनको विदेशी कोच के लिए, जिस पर्टिकुलर कोच के लिए कहा उसको दिया गया।